Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an account in UNIQLO. So without any further delays, let's get right into it. So we could see here's an URL section right here. So I'm simply going to tap it and write uniqlo.com, which is right there, and enter it. And we could see we just entered to UNIQLO website right here. So on the right section right here, we see this button. So I'm simply going to click it and we just landed to Uniqlo's login and hit it. And if you already have an account, you simply have to write your email address and password and simply log in. But if you do not have it, you can create an account and get a coupon right here. So I'm going to click it. So here are some information required for the further process. So we simply have to write our email address, re-enter it again, our password that we make it for this account, and also our zip code, birthday, gender, and this button as well, and just click it on preview and we can make our account on Uniqlo, guys. And that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more uploads.